Hey, my name is Rosie Kirby, and today I'll be giving a demonstration of how to do a simple linoleum block print. And to start off with, you'll need just a small block of unmounted linoleum, which you can get by the foot at an art supply store. And you'll also need a linoleum cutting tool, and it should come with several different blades of different widths so you can get different lines on your linoleum. And it's also helpful to have a bench hook, which will keep your linoleum straight when you're carving, and that can avoid cutting your fingers or having the linoleum slip whenever you're cutting it. And you'll also need some printing ink, and you can either buy this in an oil-based ink or a water-based. If you're working with younger kids, water-based might be a good idea for easy cleanup. And you'll also need a brayer, which you will use to mix the ink and then put the ink onto your block of linoleum when you're getting ready to print. And also just scraps of nice rag papers or really cloth, anything you can find to print on. So to start off with, you'll just want to cut a simple image, and they can get more complex as they go, but the kids might want to just try it on a test piece of linoleum first. But you'll just basically cut into your linoleum with your cutting tool, and you can experiment with different widths of blades and really just have fun with it. Okay, you can end that section. Image into your linoleum. As you can see, this one's pretty simple. You're going to mix up your ink just right next to your image and keep a fairly clean area over here for your print. And I've gone ahead and mixed up the ink, but I want to make sure it's done pretty evenly by using my brayer and just making sure that's coming out really evenly so that it'll be more consistent when it actually goes into the linoleum. So once you've mixed up a fairly good amount of ink right here on your brayer, and you can also use a little base extender if you want to make the rest of your ink last a little longer. You'll firmly take your linoleum block and just roll your brayer over the block. And as you can see, all the raised areas of the relief cut are the ones that are going should have used more ink. You'll take a piece of paper and lay it right over top of the image, and preferably your paper will want to be just a little bit bigger than your plate to give it sort of a clean border. You want to keep it very still, and then I'm just using the back of my cutting tool as a buffer, but you can also use a wooden spoon or just any kind of a printing buffering device. And I want to try and cover just the entire piece of linoleum. Prints if you can. Fingerprints on it. And here's your print.